Welcome back to ALPY Weekly Crypto News and Updates. Let's dive into biggest weekly headlines. Metaplanet added to FTSE Japan Index for Bitcoin treasury strategy. Franklin Templeton sets deadline for Ethereum staking amendment proposal. Forward Industries launches $1.65 billion Solana treasury strategy. Mercado Bitcoin to tokenize $200 million in RWAs on XRP Ledger. Hyperliquid, Native Markets wins USDH stablecoin issuance bid. Nasdaq files for tokenized equities trading using Chainlink oracles. Franklin Templeton tokenizes $446 million in treasuries on Stellar Network. Uniswap launches Unichain Layer 2 for optimized DeFi trading. Aptos unveils Move 2.0 for enhanced smart contract development. BNB Chain processes record 8 million daily transactions. Before we continue, please note that ALPY cannot guarantee the accuracy of this news. This content is educational purpose only. Please do your own research and consult a licensed advisor before investing. Japanese investment firm Metaplanet, a prominent Bitcoin accumulator, has been added to the FTSE Japan Index following its September evaluation. This inclusion highlights the growing institutional acceptance of Bitcoin-focused strategies in traditional financial indices. CEO Simon Jerovich announced the news on social media, emphasizing the company's commitment to Bitcoin as a core treasury asset. The move is expected to attract more investors to Metaplanet's Bitcoin holdings, now totaling over 20,000 BTC. It underscores Bitcoin's integration into mainstream equity markets worldwide. Asset manager Franklin Templeton has set a November 13 deadline for its Ethereum staking amendment proposal to the SEC. This development aims to enable staking capabilities for Ethereum-based ETFs, enhancing yield opportunities for investors. The proposal reflects increasing interest in Ethereum's proof-of-stake mechanism among institutional players. If approved, it could significantly boost Ethereum's utility in regulated financial products. The initiative positions Ethereum as a leader in secure, high-yield blockchain applications. Forward Industries has announced a $1.65 billion private placement to initiate a Solana treasury strategy, adopting SOL as a key corporate asset. The Nasdaq-listed firm, involved in product design and logistics, sees Solana's high-speed blockchain as ideal for long-term value storage. This move follows similar adoptions by other public companies, signaling Solana's appeal to traditional businesses. The strategy includes additional $20 million in strategic investments to support Solana ecosystem growth. It demonstrates Solana's expanding role in corporate finance and innovation. Brazil's Mercado Bitcoin exchange has revealed plans to tokenize over $200 million in real-world assets using the XRP Ledger. This initiative leverages XRP's efficient cross-border capabilities for seamless asset tokenization and transfers. The project aims to bridge traditional finance with blockchain, enhancing liquidity for institutional investors. It builds on XRP's strengths in fast, low-cost transactions for global markets. The development reinforces XRP's position in the growing RWA sector. Before we continue, if you're enjoying our weekly news, don't forget to subscribe and join the ALPY community, link in the description. Now, back to the news. Native Markets has won the Hyperliquid governance vote to issue the USDH stablecoin, marking a significant milestone for the platform's ecosystem. This victory, announced on September 14, positions Native Markets to manage reserves backed by cash and US Treasury equivalents through partners like BlackRock and Superstate. The stablecoin will direct yield from reserves toward HYPE token buybacks and ecosystem growth initiatives, enhancing community benefits. The decision followed competitive bids from established players like Paxos, Ethena, and Sky, highlighting Hyperliquid's community-driven governance process. This development strengthens Hyperliquid's independence in stablecoin operations and boosts its DeFi infrastructure. Nasdaq has officially filed with the SEC to enable tokenized securities trading, utilizing Chainlink's Oracle network for secure data feeds. This historic move merges traditional stock markets with blockchain, allowing investors to trade tokenized equities efficiently. Chainlink's infrastructure ensures reliable, real-time data for these hybrid financial products. The filing positions Chainlink as essential infrastructure for Wall Street's blockchain adoption. It paves the way for broader integration of decentralized oracles in regulated markets. Franklin Templeton has tokenized $446 million in U.S. Treasuries on the Stellar network, marking a major step in institutional asset tokenization. This project showcases Stellar's scalability for high-value financial applications and cross-border efficiency. The Stellar Development Foundation's recent hires from PayPal and Coinbase further strengthen its payments-focused ecosystem. Integration of PayPal's PIAST stablecoin enhances Stellar's interoperability. The initiative highlights Stellar's leadership in bridging traditional finance with blockchain. Uniswap has launched Unichain, a dedicated Layer 2 blockchain to optimize decentralized trading and liquidity provision. This development enhances Uniswap's protocol with faster, cheaper transactions while maintaining Ethereum security. Unichain aims to support advanced DeFi features and attract more developers to the ecosystem. The launch provides additional utility for UNI tokens in governance and operations. It positions Uniswap as an innovator in scalable decentralized exchanges. Aptos developers have unveiled Move 2.